Let's make the world's spiciest hamburger.
Hey, guess what? Burger Show is back!
This might light the whole room up.
Season 6 is here, and we're packing in more burgers and more special guests.
I feel like I just gave Satan a deep throat blowjob.
Yeah, I do feel that.
That is a tasty burger.
Salt-based, say hello to cheese-baked.
We're bringing the heat, baby.
Ghost pepper, Trinidad scorpion.
We're pushing the limits at all costs.
He pulled a bone out of my sandwich.
We're gonna recreate the steamed ham, one of the biggest memes on the internet.
We got new faces and some old friends too.
We're gonna do some time travel. Welcome to Georgie Burger. What can I get ya?
Layers of meat, pockets of cheese.
I'm actually surprised at how good this is.
It's like a bad acid trip.
Uh-oh, problem.
Ouch! I'm covered in grease.
I never said it would be perfect.
Ramekin size affects millions of men every year.
So this is very hallucinogenic burger.
I'm gonna make a smash burger the way they would have done it 120 years ago. Let's do this.
We're steaming hamburgers like a couple of true sociopaths.
Man, I miss this so much.
Burger Show.
Burger Show.
The Burger Show. Tune in.
The Burger Show, Season 6. Get ready.